What's up, TG Boss Lobbies, and this is proof of my reballing setup for people who didn't think I could actually ball. J-taggable that I had to do. So starting with the support board, which is right here. Of course I need that. Set it right on my TH62. Position the GPU right about there. So my guy, and I preheat for all the way up to 200, and I stay on 200 Celsius for about 10 minutes. I really let it soak because it's a small preheater. Then I slowly work up my way from 160 all the way up to 225. Once I reach 220, I apply heat from this guy right here to the four corners of the GPU chip, allowing me to remove it at about 225 after about only 2 minutes of using that. And then leave it so pencils, tax flux, all my balls are in there, my jig that I use to reball, my pads that I use to cover it, and then a GPU chip after the removal. Haven't put the new balls back on yet. Then up here we have motherboards that have the chips removed, like this one, and this one's already been pre-cleaned and is ready to have a chip put back onto it. Just like that. Alright.